Australia is endowed with an abundance of breathtaking holiday destinations suitable for all kinds of travelers. Here are a few of Australia's must-see locations. Number 1. Sydney, New South Wales. Unwind on Bondi Beach, explore the famous Sydney Opera House, and climb the Sydney Harbour Bridge for stunning vistas. The Great Barrier Reef in Queensland is ranked number 2. Explore the world's biggest coral reef system by diving or snorkeling among the vibrant coral reefs and swimming with marine life. Number 3. Melbourne, Victoria. Take in the city's thriving culinary scene, stroll through alleyways lined with street art, and become fully immersed in the city's arts and culture scene. Number 4. Uluru Kata Tjuta National Park, Northern Territory. Take in the breathtaking views of Uluru, Ayers Rock, at dawn or dusk. Explore Kata Tjuta's domed rock formations and discover the history and culture of the Aboriginal people. Number 5. Queensland's Whitsunday Islands. Explore the gorgeous Whitsunday Islands by boat, unwind on Whitehaven Beach's white sand beaches, and go snorkeling in the Great Barrier Reef's glistening waters. Number 6. Drive down one of the most picturesque coastal highways in the world. Take in the 12 Apostles rock formations and discover lush rainforests and stunning beaches along Victoria's Great Ocean Road. Number 7. Fraser Island, Queensland. See the largest sand island in the world, have a 4WD adventure through untamed landscapes, swim in pristine lakes, and see wildlife like wild dingoes. Number 8. Discover Australia's largest national park, Kakadu National Park in the Northern Territory, which is home to breathtaking scenery, historic Aboriginal rock art sites, and a wide variety of flora and fauna. Number 9. Tasmania. See the pristine wildness of Cradle Mountain Lake St. Clair National Park. Hike through the breathtaking scenery of Freycinet National Park and visit Hobart for its historic waterfront and thriving arts scene. Number 10. Queensland's Daintree Rainforest. See one of the world's oldest rainforests. Go on a guided stroll amid luxuriant tropical foliage and take a boat ride down the Daintree River to see crocodiles and other wildlife. Number 11. Perth and Fremantle, Western Australia. Take a stroll around Fremantle's ancient streets, unwind on Rottnest Island's gorgeous beaches, and discover Perth's energetic downtown. Number 12. The Kimberley region in Western Australia. In one of the country's most secluded and beautiful areas, explore rocky terrain, spectacular canyons, and prehistoric Aboriginal rock art. Number 13. The Blue Mountains, located in New South Wales. Get away from the city and take in the breathtaking scenery of these high sandstone cliffs, thick eucalyptus woods, and tumbling waterfalls. Number 14. South Australia's Adelaide and the Barossa Valley. Take in Adelaide's cultural attractions, savor wine from the region's famed Barossa Valley, and stroll through the charming Adelaide Hills. Number 15. The Australian Outback. Venture deep into the outback to explore wide-open grasslands, untamed scenery, and famous sites like Alice Springs, Kings Canyon, and the recognizable Olga's Kata Tjuta. Number 16. The Gold Coast, Queensland. Take advantage of Queensland's playground, Australia, with its sun-drenched beaches, exhilarating theme parks, and exciting nightlife. Number 17. The Sunshine Coast in Queensland is a great place to unwind on immaculate beaches, explore beautiful rainforests in the hinterland, and visit quaint coastal towns like Mooloolaba and Noosa. Number 18. The Grampians, Victoria. Explore the rugged splendor of the Grampians National Park, by hiking across breathtaking mountain ranges, taking in the sight of gushing waterfalls, and spotting local species. Number 19. Discover natural Australian animals, such as kangaroos, koalas, and sea lions, on Kangaroo Island, South Australia, which offers breathtaking coastline vistas and unspoiled wildness. Number 20. Experience top-notch cuisine and wine in South Australia's Barossa Valley, one of the country's most famous wine districts and home to Shiraz and other varietals. Number 21. Byron Bay, New South Wales. Unwind in the bohemian atmosphere of this beachside town renowned for its stunning beaches, surf culture, and alternative way of life. Number 22. Discover Australia's oldest wine area, the Hunter Valley in New South Wales, which is well known for its vineyards, cellar doors, and fine dining establishments. Number 23. The Margaret River region in Western Australia is a scenic area renowned for its food and wine industry, offering top-notch wineries, breathtaking beaches, and towering forests. Number 24. The Tablelands of Atherton, Queensland. Go on an adventure through the verdant rainforest and undulating hills of the Atherton Tablelands, where you may discover volcanic crater lakes, go swimming in waterfalls, and observe wildlife in its native environment. Number 25. Experience the breathtaking scenery of Central Australia in the Red Centre, Northern Territory, which includes the untamed beauty of Kings Canyon, the soaring sandstone cliffs of Simpsons Gap, and the historic rock formations of the West MacDonnell Ranges. Number 26. In Western Australia's Pinnacles Desert, thousands of limestone pillars rise out of the sandy desert bottom, creating an exotic scene that is truly breathtaking. Number 27. The Blue Lake, South Australia. From November to March of each year, the well-known Blue Lake at Mount Gambier undergoes a striking annual color shift from gray to vivid blue. Number 28. Australia's longest river, the Murray, flows across New South Wales, Victoria, and South Australia. Along its length, you may enjoy paddle steamers, water sports, and leisurely river cruises through breathtaking scenery. These are only a handful of the highlights. Australia offers much more, such as fascinating wildlife encounters, secluded outback travels, and quaint seaside villages. Australia has countless chances for exploration, adventure, and leisure with its wide range of breathtaking locations. Every one of these locations has a certain charm and attractions of its own, giving visitors life-changing experiences and treasured memories. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel.